Mike.
Oj. Finns det? Nej.
From silly antics to unexpected reactions, animals have a surprising way of bringing laughter into our lives. When you're a tiger but have a kitty's soul. When you're a goose but have an eagle's strength. Someone must have ordered a drink and he was just delivering it to them.
I woke up today and I thought to myself, we're going to be a problem today, aren't we? And myself said, yeah.
Okay, look at Randy Orton slithering.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out!
It's the universal law of the animal kingdom. The one with the snacks is the supreme overlord.
Oh, I know. Come on. Are you okay?
What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
For those who are worried, the crocodile was just a garden decoration.
Just hanging around.
I love her. She's a champ now. This one is getting on my nerves.
They're in sweet spot, but I just don't feel like I need to share it with all of you.
What far? Just when the good part came.
This heron probably wore a fake invisibility cloak so that he could only be 50% invisible.
Gick det där bra tyckte du? Selma? A freaking dollar just fell out!
Esa Ronnie, esa Ronnie, esa Ronnie.
Igual que Nicki Minaj meneándose para que los implantes vuelvan a acomodarse.
Now we totally understand why Capybara became the foreign minister. This little egret enjoyed this river tour immensely.
That is so cool.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Another day, another tragedy. Why he sliding with no strategy? Oh, that's Goose Lee. Damn, that bugging, that Goose thugging.
Looks like someone found the ultimate summer toy. I bet his internal monologue is just, water, water, more water.
Oh, 16's getting all the kisses! Oh, really?
Nobody says no to free food. He definitely wants to bring them to his family. He wanted to test how strong his body was, or he thought that God accidentally threw gold down. This guest can't wait to flex her adorable little angels with human.
Hey, we'll have dinner. She said, come.
When your goat neighbors are more curious than the Wi-Fi signal.
Bro, you stuck? I think he's stuck. It's a squirrel!
These guys are probably afraid that people don't know they're trying to break into a human's house.
What y'all doing? Is it playtime? Cat turtle. Where's the Easter eggs? Cat, where's those Easter eggs? Turtle, where's the Easter eggs? I don't know. Where is the Easter eggs? I don't know.
When Gordon Ramsay lives in the body The belief that nothing is impossible gave the boy the motivation to challenge that opponent.
Ballerina cappuccina. Mi 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 mi. È la moglie di Cappuccino Assassino. E ama la musica la 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 la. La sua passione è il ballerino lololo.
Tell people you're part of the OCD community without telling it.
chivalrous rooster. Guys,
A day with animals, a day of fun. Have a blessed day.